Welcome to RAVETerinary, your go-to YouTube channel for comprehensive information on animal care. With their mysterious personalities and independent spirits, cats have always captivated our hearts. But they are prone to a variety of health problems, just like any other living thing. With the knowledge you'll gain from watching this video, you'll be able to identify, avoid, and treat the various ailments that can harm our feline friends. Join us as we investigate the health of your cherished cats on this educational adventure. 1. Feline upper respiratory infections. In humans, upper respiratory infections resemble the common cold. Contact with cats who have URS can expose cats to such diseases. Sneezing, a runny nose, coughing, and watery eyes are among symptoms. It is possible to stop the spread by keeping diseased cats separated and practicing excellent cleanliness. 2. Feline lower urinary tract disease. FLUTD includes a number of urological conditions, including cystitis and bladder stones. In addition to frequent urination, blood in the urine, and straining in the litter box, cats with FLUTD may also show signs of discomfort. A balanced diet and enough hydration are essential for prevention. 3. Dental disease. Cats frequently experience dental problems, such as gingivitis and periodontal disease. Gum irritation and tooth decay can both be caused by poor dental hygiene. Dental disorders can be avoided with routine dental care and expert cleanings. 4. Parasitic infections. Cats are susceptible to both external parasites like fleas and ticks, as well as internal parasites like worms, such as roundworms and tapeworms. For the health of your cat, regular deworming and preventative treatments like flea and tick control are essential. 5. Feline leukemia virus and feline immunodeficiency virus. Serious viral infections like FeLV and FIV impair a cat's immune system and make them more vulnerable to other illnesses. FeLV vaccine and keeping your cat indoors to minimize FIV exposure are examples of preventive strategies. 6. Hyperthyroidism. When the thyroid gland overworks, it causes hyperthyroidism, which manifests as increased metabolism and a number of symptoms including appetite stimulation, weight loss, and hyperactivity. Medication, surgery, or radioactive iodine therapy are all possible treatments. 7. Diabetes. Obesity is a major contributor to the rising prevalence of diabetes in cats. Increased thirst, frequent urination, and weight loss are symptoms. Insulin therapy and dietary adjustments are necessary for diabetes management. 8. Kidney disease. Older cats frequently have chronic renal disease. Increased drinking and urination may be early warning symptoms. Kidney illness can be managed with regular checkups, a balanced diet, and sufficient hydration. 9. Skin conditions. Cats are prone to dermatitis, allergies, and fungal infections of the skin. For relief, figuring out the underlying reason and getting the right care are crucial. 10. Heartworm disease. Although it affects dogs more frequently, heartworm disease can also be contracted by cats from mosquito bites. In places where the disease is common, prevention using monthly heartworm preventatives is essential. In order to responsibly care for a pet, it is essential to understand the major diseases that might afflict cats. RAVETerinary is dedicated to giving you the information and resources you need to make sure your feline friends live long, healthy lives. You may offer your cherished cats the greatest chance for a long and happy life by being aware of the warning signs, taking preventive steps, and getting quick veterinarian care when required. Don't forget to subscribe for RAVETerinary for more insightful information on pet care.